Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then we were hoping that market would be bouncing or market would be reversing from this particular temporary resistance, but after that we saw that market started going up. So this temporary resistance that we discussed yesterday is no longer valid. So let's remove this temporary resistance, because temporary resistance proved to be temporary. Pretty temporary. So right now you can see that market has reached the trend line that I have drawn many days ago, and I have been talking about in almost all of my videos. And right now you can see that yes, the overall structure of Euro USD is still intact. This market is in downtrend, then there is no doubt about it. And if you look at the present trend also, or if you just observe the present portion of this chart, then still we can see that yes, this market is in downtrend, or the number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. This is a downtrend market. Okay, and in a downtrend market, obviously we will be having a resistance. And if you have watched my other videos on Euro USD, then you can easily recognize these lines, because I have been talking about these lines for quite some time. So first and foremost, let's discuss about this trend line, because this trend line is the most important resistance on the Euro USD chart. As you can see that this market is in downtrend, and whenever market was trying to go up, market was facing selling pressure from above. Market was unable to cross the previous highs, and this trend line acted as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore, my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this line, because this is the line that has been acting as a strong resistance for the market for quite some time. And if you look at the market right now, then you can see that market is just standing at the resistance. Okay. Market is just standing at the resistance right now, and market tried to go up, and market is still facing the selling pressure from above that it used to face before. Therefore, it gives us the confirmation that this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market. And if you have already initiated a short position or sell position, then be on the trade, no need to do anything. And if you are looking for a fresh opportunity on this chart right now, then yes, my dear friends, you can initiate a sell position here. You can initiate a sell position on Euro USD right now. Just keep in mind that always follow proper risk management. Risk management is extremely important, and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because as we all know that we do not decide the direction of the market. We just can do the analysis, and we can hope that market would be moving according to our analysis, but ultimately we do not drive the direction. Therefore, following proper risk management is extremely important, because if you do not protect your own capital, then how will you trade? Therefore, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. You can initiate a sell position right now at 1.1761. Just put your stop loss above this line. Just above this line, put your stop loss, and you're done. And one more reason to initiate a sell position here is that you can see that we also have a divergence here. Okay, we also have a divergence here. If you do not know about divergence, then I'll be discussing about divergence in detail in some other time. But divergence is a mismatch between the price and the indicator, and whenever we see a divergence like this, then there is an indication or possibility that market will be going down. So this is also an additional confirmation or indication to us that there is a possibility that market will be going down. And another indication or another confirmation is from the DXY chart. And I always talk about the DXY or the US dollar chart, because it has a direct correlation with the other currencies. As we all know, if dollar goes up, then euro USD goes down, and if dollar goes down, euro USD goes up. And you can right now see that US dollar is quite bullish and right now standing at the support here. And there is a possibility that US dollar will be respecting this trend line as it is doing till date, and it will be bouncing from here. So if it bounces from here, then definitely we will see some selling on the euro USD. So this is also another reason to go for a short position on euro USD chart. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, you will find the forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter, you can see that already 60% retail traders have taken short position and 39% retail traders have taken long position. And to be honest, I prefer to trade always against the sentiment of the retail traders, because we have seen that 90% times retail traders lose money. Okay, but yes, sometimes they make also. But to be honest, I prefer to trade against the trend. But right now they have already initiated a small short position, and everything is also indicating towards a sell position only. So my dear friends, be careful. You can short the market, but follow strict risk management and do not expose your capital fully. Okay. And one more thing, my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of the analysis for just $15 per month. If you are interested to know more, just go to the pro trader section on my website. You will get information on details, what you will be achieving or gaining from the pro trader membership. And if you are interested in learning to trade from me, then you can just go to the workshop section on my website abhilashhazarika.com. You will find all the necessary information. Okay, I'll be taking personal classes and I'll be teaching you how to trade like a professional trader. Okay, so let's go back to the euro USD chart here. Okay, so if you are interested in selling the market, you can go for short the market, and if you want to wait for one candle again, you can obviously wait for one candle again. But things look good here, and it seems that market may be going down from here. So follow proper risk management. That is my only request. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again, and do not mind for talking about these two other lines, because I am tired of talking these levels for quite some time, because I have been talking about this line for 1 month, I guess. So I did not want to bore you to death, so I didn't talk about this level. Okay, if you are interested, you can go to other video and learn about this line, this black line. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.